Hello everyone. I'm going to talk about the teaching practice aspects of my self-evaluation. I have many aspects of my teaching practice in mind, but one I find myself very interesting is to develop my students' writing skills in order to teach them how words and sentences are structured, to gather information for my self-evaluation in a qualitative way. The objective was to find out the weakness and strengths of my students' writing skills. The techniques were done through observation, note-taking, and evaluation of my students in one lesson plan that I use with the 3 stages of writing. It was scheduled for May 25th with the orphanage class of mixed students from 7 to 16 years old. On the other hand, the interpretation of findings of this self-observation involved students doing something with language, a task of meaning-focused work in comprehending, producing, and interacting in the target language. In this case, the objective was reached because it was achievable and appropriate. And how to produce a format of an invitation to a party within a real-life situation, as well as writing a plan for such party. In the meanwhile, I could observe them and take notes of the interest of these children to learn, draw, and write something that was important for them at that moment. The evaluation of the procedure took me to consider the various components of language learning tasks, which are goals and objectives, materials, content, techniques, feedback, and grading, as well as the role of the student and the teacher, that in this case, the results were more positive for the older students than for the younger ones. Sorry. Evaluation results. Looking to the future, I will apply activities which are attractive for my students and get them involved easily, especially when they learn about real life issues that they know they will eventually use, even when the results are not equal for all of them. On the other hand, as a follow-up step, I could say that I can plan lessons based on my self-evaluation and self-observation results. Now that I know their strengths and weaknesses, to improve my teaching and raise the level of knowledge of my students. I should mention that the self-evaluation is for my own teaching development, due to the fact that I'm teaching for social service to the community and I don't have colleagues at the orphanage to share with, just the benefits of my students. Thank you.